Hi there, this is Thomas Gonzalez, and this video is a demo of the chat processor for the non-player character, or NPC, software agent for the trading card game. What we're going to do today is we're going to actually view a demo of the chat processor via Eclipse, and we're going to have it interact with the Flash client by actually logging into the game using the Flash client and actually typing commands in and chatting with the software agent. So we're going to go ahead and log into the game here. So we'll actually set up in Eclipse, and we're just going to run the agent controller class. And what you'll see here actually on the right is that the game is going to start, or the application will start spitting out a bunch of commands. This is just the console window, and you can see there's actually going to be a ton of output here. And that's basically the agent just running through all of the automation to get itself to log in and to generate what it needs to play the game and to chat with other players. So you'll see I've actually opened the Flash client here and I've logged into the game now. It's just taking a second for it to show up. So we'll go back actually and I'll show you some of the output here. So you can see that it's actually rapidly generating information to the output or to the console screen. It's actually kind of hard to keep up with all the information there. So the Flash client's now logged in. We're actually going to communicate to the software agent. So you'll see we're typing some commands into the Flash client. And if you actually look at the right side here, you can see that the agent is actually communicating. It's reading in the information it's receiving via the JSON commands, and it's basically parsing all of the variables and parameters in the JSON objects and then creating objects within the actual using the classes in the application and then generating responses to that. This agent in particular is actually using Rebecca AIML to communicate, so it is actually quite intelligent. I believe it has something like 40,000 different strings it can draw on in order to reply to a human player and actually appear to be somewhat intelligent and hopefully not like a bot. So anyway, interesting thing here, we're actually asking it questions like where it's from and it's able to answer them. I like doing this one as well, just asking it what the square root of a number is, and you can see here I asked it what the square root of 2 is and it says approximately 1.4. So fairly good response rate as well from the agent. So that's about it. You'll notice here very shortly that the agent's going to actually indicate farewell because it's actually going to log out. In this specific demo, just for brevity, I've had the agent log in for just 3 minutes. So that 3 minutes is up, and the agent is now going to log out. So that concludes the video. We'll be back shortly with some videos of room creation as well as joining of rooms and then finally playing the game. Thanks.